Hey guys, Rini here from Simply Rini. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly tips and tricks to help you live a more natural life. So today we are talking about the top 4 essential oils for healthy hair. So the first essential oil I want to talk about is lavender. So lavender is a great essential oil to add to any deep conditioning treatment, to your shampoo or your conditioner. It can help the scalp keep looking clean and healthy, and it helps to keep hair looking thick as well. The second essential oil I recommend for healthy hair is rosemary. So rosemary is great to get a little extra support for dry and damaged hair. It is also great for that abundant looking head of hair that so many of us are looking to have. My third essential oil for healthy hair is Cleary Sage. So this helps to get a little bit of extra support with that dry and damaged hair as well. You can add about 3 to 4 drops into your shampoo or your conditioner in order to create that healthy looking hair and scalp. The fourth essential oil for healthy hair is ylang ylang. So this helps to increase the appearance of healthy and shiny hair. It is one of my favorite essential oils to use. So a great deep hair conditioner that you can create with this oil of ylang ylang is you can add about 8 drops of ylang ylang into about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and just apply it to the hair. So this is a great deep hair treatment and conditioner that you can use. So I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help you and support you in any way I can. So I will see you next week, and I hope you have a great day.